which I hope you all have understood today's concept and must have done your work by now. It's time to start with our today's EVS class. So if you remember, on Friday we had a conversation class in which I told you about different helpers. आपको याद है मैम ने एक पीपीटी दिखाई थी आपको जिसमें मैम ने different helpers की photographs दिखाई थी and I was telling you how these helpers are important in our daily life and how they are helping us in making our life smooth, easy and enjoyable. You remember that? Nice. So what are we going to do today? Today again we are going to move ahead and understand few more things about these helpers only. Like what type of uniform they wear, what type of vehicles they have, how we can identify these helpers even in such a big crowd. यानी कि अगर आप बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच खड़े हैं, still you can identify them. It can be with the help of the tools they use, it can be with the help of uniform they wear, or it can be the way they are helping us, or you can say the way, or you can say yes, the vehicles they are using. So there are lot many ways we can identify these helpers. Like for example, I have drawn some pictures here. ठीक है, अब इन pictures को देख के if you identify these pictures, you will able to connect these pictures with the people who you can see having them. या तो उनके पास आपने देखा होगा या आपने कभी you must have seen कि वो कभी आए होंगे आपके घर to help you out. So let us find out, are you able to identify these pictures? First we have is a big vessel of water. एक बहुत बड़ा, you can call it a tub which is full of water, and we have soap, the soap which we use for cleaning our clothes. So can something click to your mind? Yes, generally we have a mother doing this, but sometimes if mother is not able to do, then we go for a domestic help. Somebody comes, one of the social helper, or you can say a daily helper, or you can also call it a community helper. They come, they help you out in cleaning your clothes. So what they use? They use lot of water, big vessels they have, बड़े बड़े बर्तन होते हैं जिसमें water होता है, so they can wash lot many clothes together. Sometimes अंकल आके dirty clothes ले जाते हैं और वो wash करके देके जाते हैं. So they have big vessels full of water, lot of soaps they have, then they have liquid soap or they have these bar soaps, different type of soaps. So what do you call those people? It can be a shop called dry cleaners, it can be a washerman, or it can be a washerwoman जिनको हम धोबी या धोबिन भी बोलते हैं. You remember there is a very beautiful poem in your Hindi. धोबी आया कपड़े लाया, कितने कपड़े लाया गिन लो जी, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 बस. You remember that? So वो जो धोबी अंकल है या जो आंटी है उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them washerman. वो क्या करते हैं? They come, collect all the dirty clothes, they go to their place. वहाँ पे उनके पास बड़े-बड़े vessels होते हैं जिनमें water होता है, warm water, ठंडा water, whatever, what type of clothes, depending on the clothes. और वो क्या करते हैं? उनको अच्छे से clean करके, iron करके वो आपको वापस करके जाते हैं. ठीक है? One is this. Second we have somebody who uses a gun, a stick. जो भी गंदे लोग होते हैं उसको स्टिक से मारते हैं. कोई थीफ होता है तो उसको पकड़ के वो जेल में डाल देते हैं. So who is that? It's a policeman. Yes, policeman, the one who is responsible for all the law and order. कि आपके जो लोकेशन में कोई भी थीफ ना घूमे या कोई भी ऐसे लोग ना हो जो आपको परेशान कर रहे हैं. सो इन केस यू हैव समबडी जो आपको परेशान कर रहा है या कोई आपके घर में चोरी हो गई है, somebody has taken things from your home, तो आप क्या करोगे? You will go to a police station, you will file a complaint, और जो पुलिसमैन होते हैं then they go and catch those thieves. Clear? Another one we have, yes, what is this? It's a broom. Broom यानी झाड़ू जो बिग वाली होती है जिसमें एक स्टिक लगी होती है. मॉर्निंग में you must have seen some uncle or auntie cleaning your streets. आपके घर के बाहर जो streets हैं, roads हैं, उनको clean कर रहे होते हैं. See, we all clean our home. Home तो हम खुद clean कर लेते हैं. But who is responsible for cleaning those streets? Surroundings. हमारी सराउंडिंग को भी तो क्लीन होना उतना ही जरूरी है जितना इम्पोर्टेंट घर को क्लीन करना है. बट आर वी गोइंग एंड डूइंग दोज ब्रूमिंग टू आवर रोड्स? क्या हम रोड पे झाड़ू लगाते हैं? नो, समवन इज देयर हु इज डूइंग दिस फॉर अस ऑल. हु इज दैट? इट्स अ स्वीपर. अंकल आते हैं मॉर्निंग में, चाहे कितनी भी ठंड हो, बारिश हो, बट वो अंकल रोज आते हैं, आंटी रोज आती हैं, एंड शी डू ऑल द क्लीनिंग. सो दोज आर कॉल्ड स्वीपर. Then we have plumber. Who is a plumber? The one who fix your taps. आपकी कोई टैप खराब हो गई है, किसी टैप में वाटर नहीं आ रहा है या कोई टैप लीक कर रही है, you have to get it repaired. Now to whom you will call? You will call a plumber. जो अंकल टैप रिपेयर करने आते हैं, we call them plumber. ठीक है? Then I have also told you somebody who gives us medicines when we fall sick. It's a doctor. We all know that. हमें चोट लगी है या हम बीमार हो गए हैं, we always go to a doctor. Why? Because they are the one who take care of our health. They help us, not responsible. They help us in taking care of our health. Then lastly we have somebody who can cut our hair, or the one who help us in grooming ourselves. जो हमें थोड़ा सा ग्रूम अप करते हैं, शैबी हेयर हो गए हमारे, या पापा को देखा होगा आपने, पापा इज हैविंग बेड जो उन्हें क्लीन करानी है एंड ऑल दैट. सो वी गो टू अ हेयर ड्रेसर, और यू कैन कॉल अ बार्बर. दे यूज comb, scissor just to trim out your hair. Okay, so apart of these are very few. We have a long list to go and understand. Let's move towards our book, and in the book I'll explain you each and every helper one after the other. Okay, so for this please open your book on page number 87. So book page number 87, and from 87 we are going to continue doing it till page number 89. Okay, 87, then we will do 88, and last will be 89. So we are going to do all these three pages, 87, 88 and 89, understanding about different helpers. Okay, open your book please. So class, now let's see how we are going to do our work in book today and understand about different helpers that we have in our community. Clear? So if you will open your page number 87, you will find the topic daily helpers. The very first thing we are going to do is write today's date. So that is 19 January 2021, and please mention classwork. Okay, don't forget to mention classwork also. Understood that everyone? Okay, what next we are going to do? Match the helpers who help us every day with their work. So what it is given here? You have been given picture of some helpers, like we have washerwoman, the one who come at our home or sometimes take our clothes at her home, wash them, iron them and bring it back. Next we have is a gardener. So can anyone tell me who is a gardener? The one who take care of the garden, they water the plants, they give them manure and they take a proper care of all the greeneries. Then next we have is a guard. Who is a guard? The one who wakes at night to see that there no thief comes at our home. ये वो लोग होते हैं जो रात में सोते नहीं हैं and they keep on roaming to check कि हम सब आराम से सोएं and nobody else or no thief can come and enter our home. Next we have is a sweeper. I told you, the one who cleans the street and our surroundings. So now what you have to do, we are going to match them with the work they do. ठीक है? First we have is the picture of a man cleaning the street. ये देखो, road clean कर रहे हैं with the help of this broom. Next we have is a guard. ये देखो, night में everyone is sleeping, but this man, the guard, is standing and taking care of the surroundings, taking care of our homes. Then we have is a man who is watering the plants and these flowers. Lastly, we have a auntie, or you can say a woman. What is she doing? She is washing the clothes. Now, what we have to do, we have to match both these sides. Clear? And as I always say, for matching, we are going to use our pencil colors. Clear? So, because with colors it is very easy, we use different color for different pictures. The first one we have is a washerwoman. So, who is a washerwoman? The one who wash the clothes. So, this is the one, correct? What we'll do, we'll take a color and we will match this washerwoman with the work she do. So, let's do that. Like this, we'll do the matching work. Done by everyone? Okay. Next we have is a gardener. Now we'll change the color of our pencil. So next we have is a gardener. What is the work of a gardener? They take care of the garden. They water the plants. Then जो भी dead plants होते हैं उनको हटाना. They see कि कोई plants को खराब ना करे. All this is looked after by a gardener. So yes, what we'll do, we'll take it. We'll take this gardener to the work he do. Like this. Next we have is a guard. So what is the work of a guard? Guard क्या करते हैं? They watch at night. They keep a watch at night at our homes. वो रात में क्या करते हैं? हमारे घर पे नजर रखते हैं, watch करते हैं सबको. So what we'll do, we'll match this guard with this picture. Okay. Last we have is a sweeper. So what is the work of a sweeper? He cleans the streets. जो भी street होती है हमारे location में उनको clean करते हैं so that our surroundings can also look clean and there is no what, कोई भी germs, there is no germs or you can say insects around ताकि हम बीमार भी ना पड़ें. So we'll match this sweeper with this picture. Understood? This is how you'll do your work on page number 87. Now let's move ahead towards page number 88. Okay? So here we have page number 88. What it says? We need them sometimes. Now what we have, we are going to talk or discuss about those helpers जिनकी ज़रूरत हमें regular नहीं होती. Sometimes we go to them. So who they all are? What is the first picture? It's a doctor. क्या डॉक्टर की रोज़ ज़रूरत होती है? No. अगर हम अपना ध्यान खुद रखेंगे, if we are taking care of our health ourselves, तो हम बीमार ही नहीं पड़ेंगे. If we are taking a healthy diet, then we don't need doctor every day. Yes, sometimes it happens that we need a doctor. तो हम इनके पास कब जाते हैं? Sometimes, not every day. Okay. Next we have is a cobbler. Who is a cobbler? Can you see what is he doing? Yes, he is repairing a shoe. So cobbler is the one who mends our shoe. You remember? Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. then I'll give you half a crown. So cobbler is the one who mends our shoe. Yes? Next we have is a hairdresser. मैम ने आपको बताया ना, डेली तो हेयर कट करना नहीं होता है हमें. Sometimes once a week or you can say once in 2 weeks, 15 days में एक बार जाना पड़ता है. So again we go to this hairdresser sometimes. Then we have is a tailor. डेली तो क्लोथ्स नहीं स्टिच होते, वो भी कभी कभी करते हैं हम लोग. So tailor is the one who stitches our clothes, isn't it? So what we are going to do now, we are going to match these helpers with these tools. We have the tools also here. So you have to identify the tools they use, and after using the tools, what they do. Tools use करने के बाद क्या करते हैं फिर वो लोग. Clear? So let's start matching the work. But first, write down date, that is 19 January 2021. And don't forget to write classwork again. Okay? So let's start doing the work. First we have is a doctor. So what we'll do, we'll take a pencil color. Now, doctor is the one. अब डॉक्टर इनमें से कौन से टूल्स यूज करते हैं? कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई द टूल्स यूज बाय अ डॉक्टर? इट्स अ शू ब्रश. देन वी हैव अ डॉक्टर्स किट, thermometer, stethoscope, injection. Then we have a sewing machine, a measuring tape and a pair of scissors. Then we have comb, color brush, scissor and a hair dryer. So these are the different tools given to us. So can you tell me, out of all these, which tool is used by a doctor? Yes, doctor is using a doctor kit, thermometer and a stethoscope. So like this we'll do the matching. Now here we have a boy suffering from cold, a boy who's carrying a shoe which is broken, then a man who is having long beards and a lady who is having some clothes. Now tell me, who will go to the doctor? कौन जाएगा डॉक्टर के पास? The boy who is suffering from cold. So we'll match it like this. Understood? Next we have is a cobbler. So what are the tools used by a cobbler? Cobbler is using a shoe brush. And what he do? He mends the shoe. So yes, cobbler use these type of tools to mend our shoe. So this boy will go to cobbler. This man will not go ना. ये किसके पास जाएगा? From to whom this man will go? जिसकी big beards है, he'll go to a hairdresser. Okay. So what are the tools used by a hairdresser? Comb, color brush, scissor and hair dryer. So we'll match this hairdresser with the tools and with this man who will go to this hairdresser. Oh, sorry, I have used the same color by mistake. Please use a different color, class. By mistake, I have used the same color. Lastly, we have a tailor. Lastly, we have a tailor. So what are the tools used by a tailor? Tailor uses sewing machine, then measuring tape and scissors. And who will go to the tailor? The lady who is having a piece of cloth to get it stitched. So like this, match it. Understood? This is how you will do your work on page number 88. Now last we have is page number 89. So it says they help us too. So class, as we have done here, this is the same way you are going to match. But let me first explain you how to do. Now here we have a plumber, a waiter, a mechanic and a banker. So who is a plumber? Plumber is the man who repairs our tap, or you can say the water pipes. Who is a waiter? If you have ever been to any restaurant with your family, you will see that there are some people who are serving you. They have a proper uniform like this and they serve you the food. Isn't it? Those are called waiter. Next we have is a mechanic. The person who helped in repairing our car or our scooter, such things. And lastly we have is a banker. Banker is the person who sits in a bank. What is a bank? जहाँ पे हम अपनी सारी savings, money सब deposit करते हैं. So again banker is also a helping person. Reason being वो हमें हमारी जो भी money है उसको safe रखने में help करते हैं. ठीक है? Now in the tools we have is a tray. Then we have some pipe wrenches. We have some hammer. Then we have some money here, and this is a jack we use for repairing our tires in the car. Now here we have is a leaking tap. Then here what is this? It's a building of a bank. Okay, what is it? It's a bank. Then we have a car that needs some sort of repairing, and lastly we have is a restaurant. Now what you will do? You will match these helpers with the tools and with the work they do. Clear? Same way as we have done here. Understood that? But first, let's write today's date. 19 January 2021. And this is your today's homework. Okay class? So page number 89 is your today's homework. And yes, of course, page number 90, you don't have to do much. You just have to number these pictures. So it's very easy. This is also your today's homework. So write down date and mention it as your homework. So page number 87 and 88 is today's classwork. And page number 89 and page number 90 is your today's homework. I hope today's work is clear to you. So class, I hope you all have understood who are daily helpers, the one whom we need every day. जिनकी ज़रूरत हमें डेली होती है. लाइक वी हैव स्वीपर, देन वी हैव गार्डनर, गार्ड अंकल होते हैं जो हर रोज रात को ठंड में बिना सोए हमारे हाउस की सेफ्टी करते हैं. देन वी हैव washer woman, or you can say a washer man. Then there are few helpers whom we go sometimes, like we have doctor, then we have nurses, we have policemen. इनके पास हम कब जाते हैं? Only sometimes. Like daily नहीं जाना पड़ता. Cobbler, daily तो शू नहीं टूटेगा. Then we have hairdresser, daily हमें hair cut कराने नहीं जाना है. So few are the one we need every day. Some we go sometimes. There are some other helpers जिनके लिए we can say कि yes, they are also needed in the community, but not on regular basis. Okay? So I hope you have understood everything. Complete your work, share it with me, and after that, get ready for your next class. Take care.